welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Valentina, and today it's really sunny, and today's vlog is going to be the farm. You know, our farm has a lot of stuffs here, like there's a lot of potatoes there. There's my daddy working on the watering machine, I don't know, pipe, yeah. Working on the pipe, and I'm going to give you a little tour of our farm here. So, yeah. There we go, guys. This is the farm. It is really, really nice farm. My father's working on the watering. So, let's go over in that side. This side is the end, so yeah. We have a little guava tree right there. Not a little, a giant guava tree. We have to replace one of the guavas are down there, like a small, teeny one. This is our guava plant. I could just climb and just sit right there. But, you know, you could sit anywhere. You could sit there. You could sit there. A lot of stuff you can sit in. You could even sit there and there. So, yeah. This is our farm. Real big farm, I know. So, we're going to plant some stuff here, but we didn't actually plant it yet. So, I'll show you from that side. Working on this is real hard, guys. Look, how am I even walking it right now? Oh, my shit. What? Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you a tour. Boom. So actually, this is our, wow. So there's a lot of wheat here, not really wheat. Yeah, wheat. Wheat, some rose petals, not really rose, just kidding. Vegetables and stuff like that. So I'll show you. We're going to plant good stuff here. You know, actually, this is, that part is the most fresh air place. You know, like, duh. And this is, we have to, it's the same as that stick ones. We have to put it in with, or is there a rubber in here? No rubber trash allowed. Then we got some lettuce, not really lettuce, but like cabbage. We have another cabbage, another style ones. We got rose petal cabbage. We got putter. What is this called in English? Oh, in Manipuri we call this padigom. And yeah, I don't know what is this exactly. And yeah, there. Ha! Okay, that was a crazy girl. Anyways, we have some potato here. Potato. Another potato. I love this part. And the peas. When the peas go higher and taller like this, we'll collect the peas and put them in a basket. That is how we collect them. Can I do it? Hold it for me. Can I do it, Father?
Yes.
Here.
Why not?
So guys, I'm about to hold that and do it. It is gonna be super hard. Anyways, here.
Posto.
Okay, guys. When I hold this, I'll show you guys there. Wait a moment, guys. I don't know what is this. Even in Manipuri. Oh my. Don't come. We don't have any plant here. We got some cabbage there. There is an insect. Literally, what is that insect? Yeah. What is that insect, guys? Let me know the comments what insect is that. I am so dumb. Okay, you know, this is also the same thing. Yeah, we have a lot of this chickpeas. I have not shown you that around. I'll go and show you all. But ito na kaya. I have to, you know, show them the place. We got another fuddy gone. We got here some onions. I know. These are water onions. Look at those. You see that onion right there? Onions, when you like plant it, it grows these kind of. Further, where is it going to go? Where is it? Maroy haba. Oh, this is onion. Onion gives you this little. You can actually cook this and eat this stem. You guys may think it is leaves, but no. Onions.